In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Panda Express coupon code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google, and now in the Google search bar, type in Panda Express coupon codes. And now once we've done that, we've brought to Google search results. So off the bat, we've got Coupon Follow, coupons.com, Real Tell Me Not. These are the large third-party coupon sites we can check out. If we scroll down, we've got Groupon worth the penny as well. So you can check out any one of them, but one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. These codes do change daily, weekly, or monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. And one good thing with Coupon Follow, we can see the expired coupon codes as well. So if we scroll down to the bottom of the page here, you can see expired promo codes. Oh, it doesn't look like they're doing it on this one, but they might do in the future to get an idea of what type of coupon codes you could score down the track. But yeah, so we're at Coupon Follow, and now we've got $30 family meal on your purchase. Save 20% on your purchase, 20% off any order site wide. To activate any one of these codes, just simply click onto it. It'll take you to a new page with that code. So a little pop-up will appear. Copy that code and then paste that code at the checkout section of Panda Express to activate that $30 family meal on your purchase.